Binigyan ng X rating o hindi pinayagang ipalabas sa publiko ang pelikula ni Paolo Contis na Dear Satan ng Movie and Television Review and Classification Board o MTRCB na pinamumunuan ni Lala Soto. Sa nagdaang finance hearing para sa 2025 budget ng MTRCB at Film Development Council of the Philippines o FDCP ay ipinaliwanag ng chairperson kung bakit ito ang kanilang naging hatol sa pelikula na nag-violate raw sa Presidential Decree No. 1986. It was given an X rating. They have not appealed yet, but it has been found to be violative of the PD 1986, sabi ni Lala Soto. Sabi pa niya, I have seen the film. I joined the board. I am offended as a Christian. It is not demonic, but it has a different depiction of Satan becoming good, but Satan will never ever be good. Samantala, ipinaliwanag naman ni FDCP Chairman Jose Javier Reyes na parte ng Movie Workers Welfare Foundation workshop script ang Dear Satan kung saan tungkol ito sa isang batang babae na naisumulat kay Santa Claus ngunit nagkamali ito ng spelling na sa halip na Santa ay naging Satan. And it was Satan who received her wish list for Christmas. So, Satan came to life and went to the little girl and was humanized by the little girl in the process, sabi ni Reyes. Matatandaang nabalita na noon ang patungkol sa reklamo ng ilang netizens ukol sa titulo ng pelikula dahil sa maaring maging epekto nito sa makakarinig at makakapanood lalo na't may kasamang bata sa pelikula. Nangako naman ang producer nito, ang Mavax Productions Inc. na papalitan nila ang titulo ng pelikula at nilinaw na nais lang naman ipabatid ng pelikula ang mensahe na mananalo pa rin ang kabutihan laban sa kasamaan. Dear esteemed viewers, we hope this message finds you in good spirits. We are reaching out to address some concerns that have been brought to our attention regarding our recent film, Dear Satan, bahagi ng pahayag ng produksyon. Dagdag pa nito, first and foremost, we want to extend our deepest apologies if the title of our movie has caused any offense or discomfort. It was never our intention to hurt or disrespect anyone's religious beliefs. Our aim has always been to create content that entertains while conveying meaningful messages.